Voices in Brunei.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Md Hafizuddin bin Mudim the founder of Kapintar. I am 29 years old. I am one of the local carpenter in Brunei. At first, I started carpentry as a hobby, and then I got my inspiration by traveling and eating at different restaurants. The furnitures got me interested to look for pallet wood in Brunei, and then eventually I found some and then started to build multi-purpose table for my mom. Then my creation were then posted on social media and then managed to gather several interests. Carpentry is actually quite delicate. First of all, we need to disassemble the pallet itself and then censor any metal object in every wood planks. Next, we will need to clean the wood to reveal the grains by using the thickness planer machine or simply just rough sanding it. And then the wood is then cut to specific sizes according to the projects, which leads to the assembly part before sanding. Finally, we place 3 layers of varnish or paint coat to protect the wood from the weather or insects. Since I decided to become a full-time carpenter, some of my starting projects were for my family. I have few current ongoing projects such as bed frame, cooking station, table, dining set, mug holder, cup holder, and many more. Many of these projects are from clients who were happy with my initial creation for them. We like to expand our business by opening a showroom to show people that Bruneian youth also can contribute in woodworking industry. We are hoping that we can become the first local Bruneians who have a custom-made furniture shop or showroom in Brunei. The challenges is to open a market outside the country since we are only doing home-based business. Like many business startups, we had our struggles, but the social media platform actually helps us to expose to wider market. Carpentry may not be the preferred choice of career for youth in Brunei, but with right tools, you can do a lot of amazing things with wood pallet. The key here is to keep on going and never let the adversity keep you down. I'm pretty confident that the carpentry and woodworking industry can become one of the Brunei's source of income.